Unlock the power of effective design planning by mastering the art of wireframing in Figma. Let's dive straight into creating your first wireframe. We'll begin by drawing the fundamental building blocks on the left-hand toolbar. You'll find a selection of shapes. Click on the rectangle tool. Then click and drag on your canvas to create a placeholder for your main content area. You can easily adjust the size and position of this rectangle by dragging its corners or using the selection tool to move it around. Next, let's add some text. Look for the text tool, typically represented by a capital T. In the same toolbar, click on the text tool. Then click on your canvas and start typing. This will be your first piece of content, like a heading or a label. To make your wireframe clearer, let's add another common element, a button. Select the rectangle tool again and draw a smaller, more contained rectangle for your button. You can then use the text tool to add the button's label on top of it. Now, let's think about organizing your elements. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a Layers panel. This panel lists all the elements on your canvas. You can rename these layers by double-clicking on their default names. For example, naming your rectangles, Hero Section, and Primary Button. This organization is crucial for keeping your wireframe tidy. Especially as it grows more complex, you can also group related elements together by selecting them and using the shortcut to group, making it easier to move and manage sections of your design. By combining these basic shapes and text elements and keeping them organized in your Layers panel, you're well on your way to creating a clear visual blueprint for your website or app. This foundational step ensures your design flows logically and addresses all key functional requirements before you even think about colors or detailed styling.